Are you looking to grow internationally? Join Europe's hotspot for top players in tech and research, Greater Zurich. Meet Chris. His client base in Europe is growing fast. He is looking for a central location with top connectivity, but also a management team accustomed to the multicultural demands of Europe. In addition, Chris needs a greater understanding of the regulatory framework, how to set up a company, and who to go to for assistance. Greater Zurich Area Limited is exactly the right partner for expanding companies like Chris's. Since our founding, we've helped more than 1,000 companies successfully establish a presence in Switzerland. As the official investment promotion agency of the Zurich region, we are supported by over 45 governmental and private partners. We organize a custom-designed visit to our region to help you choose the best location for your business. We help you understand the local business conditions, provide benchmarking data, and avoid pitfalls. We support you to build a network of relevant companies, peers, regulators, universities, investors, local authorities, and more. Need talent, office, or lab space? We've got you covered. Our trusted recruiting and real estate partners will be there to assist you. Are you ready to boost your success with an expansion to Europe's #1 innovation hub? Choose the Greater Zurich area. Contact us. All our services are free of charge.